Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I can guideline the Fiverr marketplace very easy and simple. I earn the Fiverr marketplace. The lot of earn money on Fiverr marketplace, $1,000 earn the Fiverr marketplace. The demandable work, the present time, the YouTube SEO. The lot of people, the whole world, the creation YouTube channel and YouTube enjoy and hope, etc., etc. So this service, the demandable service, the digital marketing and video marketing and YouTube video SEOs, the how to earn money YouTube videos SEOs, as like YouTube video SEOs. There's a lot of seller, a lot of freelancers. Just one skill, the YouTube video SEOs and on-page SEO and off-page SEO. Off-page SEO, then the YouTube videos, the sharing, the lot of blog, lot of website, the social media network, social media platform. This earn money on YouTube video SEOs and YouTube video off-page SEO and on-page SEO. On-page SEO and TubeBuddy and BIDQ extension uses your computer. The setup, the keyword, tag, hashtag, the uses, title, description, thumbnail, and intro, outro, indie skin, and channel art, etc., etc. uses then the service selling, the how to earn money the Fiverr marketplace. As I read then the lot of freelancer you offer the Fiverr marketplace, the YouTube video SEOs. The present time the demandable work, the YouTube videos SEOs. Then I will be YouTube channel management and video SEO expert. I will optimize the YouTube video SEO and YouTube channel SEO. This top rated seller, the $180, the basic, to $300 standard, the premium $800. The lot of people, the how to lot of earn money is the Fiverr marketplace, the YouTube video SEOs, gig selling. I read then the a lot of freelancer, lot of seller the offer this Fiverr. I'll create YouTube channel and 3D regulation YouTube videos and channel SEOs. I will be your YouTube channel management and video SEO expert. I will best YouTube video expert organically. I will do best YouTube video SEO expert optimize channel and TubeBuddy and BIDQ. I will your best YouTube channel, the grow management YouTube SEO and video. I'll do YouTube channel on video SEOs big time. The increase your channel, the I will the expert and a specialist YouTube video SEO. I'll do YouTube video SEO. I'll create an YouTube videos YouTube channel. I will a YouTube video SEO expert. The lot of people you have the offering your gig, the YouTube video SEO. You can just one skill development YouTube video on page and off page SEO. Usually how to make money, earn money of online platform, just as like your own market, local market, and Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and you can offer then the best I earn money on the Fiverr marketplace YouTube video SEO. You can just Fiverr marketplace search bar searches search the YouTube video SEO. The lot of gigs you present your Fiverr provide your front on your desktop, computer, mobile. You just one skill, the YouTube videos skill development, how to earn money. Thank you.